Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rematch. For you today I'm going to show you how to get benefit on YouTube description link of Clash of Clans Clash Royale mode APK download link. So if I am a viewer of your video, I will directly open YouTube and search for the how to log down. I will search for the Clash of Clan mode APK with download link. APK mode server with download link. Also directly, please subscribe my channel. I will show you full video. In this you will get more benefit and more subscribers. They will directly search. I will directly search downloading and choose a video, and I choose this video. I will choose your video, any video. In this video you have put on the download link, so I will directly go to description, not watch your video, nor do you subscribe to you. I will directly open the Clash of Clan builder base download link file. Directly I will download, nor I will watch your video, nor anything. So in this you will not get any benefits. For to get subscribers, you should have to log the download link. How to log the download link, I will show you the way. They will directly search and download for this version. By this way you will not get any subscriber, no any view. Up to only 30 seconds will be watched, then no views are added to the YouTube description. To get views you should have to log your downloading. To log downloading, watch my full videos. So let's get started.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley. Don't pop it like
Miley. So let's get start. To lock your download link, you should have to open a browser simply like Chrome or UC. It should be hard powerful browser, no minis. UC mini browsers just search like 0 MB browsers not should be added. Open new tab, type in the URL box bid.su. So it is in the description link. You can go visit it from here. After going, go to option and request for desktop side. Now you are not looking the login or sign up button, so I will zoom it and show you. Now you are seeing the login or sign up button. Click sign up if you haven't account, or you have account, then click login. Surely I will say you haven't account because you are the beginners to see my video. Click sign up. Now add email, password and confirm password. In confirm password you have to type password. After typing both, solve the reCAPTCHA option. I am not robot. And after doing that, accept. I have sign up and accept at roll bottom. So I have account. I am going to login. For login you should have to type email and password and verify that you are not a robot. So verify by clicking that white box. In login menu, friends, after verifying you will not look a login. You should have to increase your brightness. That white bottom you are looking, white dark bottom, is the login button. Click on it. It will not be red icon, so click on it. Your desktop will be like this. After clicking on it, your desktop will be like this. So go in right top corner, you will look a create button in yellow color. After clicking in create button, you can look here, choose your title, put the first link there, first link of your YouTube channel. Second, any you can put. Third link, after putting, after adding all the things, I'm going to add Instagrams. After adding Instagram, choose the type what the visitor should do, subscribe. In the next I will do follow, and in this step also you should have to type follow in the Instagram page. Now link the download ID in the last bottom, the last one. If you want to download, if you have to want to put fourth link, you can add fourth link there. I'm going to directly put the download link now. Add now download link. Put a COC moded download link. Now friends, choose there your type what the visitor should look. Enter unlock get link. Enter unlock get link. So I will put get link is the best. Now click to create button. It is in now blue color. After putting in click create button, you will see a link in red color at the left top corner. Copy that and now paste it to your description of YouTube. It will be like this. If the visitor will click subscribe button, YouTube will be open and the channel YouTube will be open. Directly your channel will be seen here as my channel has been seen to mature for you. After your visitor will be subscribe you. Now follow button will be unlocked. Your subscribers will follow you on follow. After that continue will be unlocked. As my visitor will be click on follow, my Facebook page will be open. They should follow and like my Facebook page. As you can look now, continue button has been unlocked. After unlock, they will click to continue. Again they should have to click the like button. Like button. And my Facebook page will be again open. They should have to like my Facebook page. After that again they should have to click follow. They should have to follow me on Instagram. After that the get link will be open and they will click on get link. They will directly download the file. So friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also give me some benefits and views.
Do you feel the vibes?